Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this rich vanilla cake. Very rich, creamy and soft vanilla cake. Very easy. So make sure you stick to this video to the end. And please, if you're new to this channel, this is your first time of coming to this channel and you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. It's important you like my video. Let's start. For these beautiful lovely cakes that you just saw, we'll be using 1 kg with 200 grams of margarine, that's 1.2. We'll have 800 grams of sugar. We'll have 24 pieces of eggs. We'll still have 1 kg plus 200 grams of flour, so that's 1.2. And I'm using my nutmeg to spice up. I'm using Hollandia evap and normal evaporated. Baking powder 2 tablespoons. My white vanilla and scotch butter, I'll be using 2 tablespoons from each. So right now I'll be using my standing mixer to work. If you don't have a standing mixer, you don't have a hand mixer, please go ahead and use your wooden spoon or turning stick with your bowl. The cake will come out beautiful. I have a lot of cake videos I did. I used my wooden spoon with my bowl to mix and it came out beautiful. So feel free to use, don't panic, it will still come out lovely. Just it will take your time because this one saves more time. Cream your margarine up to 5 minutes before you add in your sugar, and you continue creaming till it's looking pale or fluffy. It's important you start on low speed before you increase to the higher speed to ease the work for your mixer if you're using hand mixer or you're using a standing mixer. Try your best to make sure you crack your eggs one after the other to avoid any bad one. It's important you do this so that you will not contaminate the good ones. Sieve your flour very well and you add in 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Here I made mistake and added 3, but I later removed 1. Add in 2 tablespoons of your white vanilla flavor, 2 tablespoons of butterscotch. The mixture of these two is so amazing. Try it, you will thank me later. And again, it doesn't matter. Some people say you must whisk your eggs till they are looking, it's foaming. It's a lie. Nothing will happen. It will still come out beautiful. If you want to whisk your own till it forms good, beautiful. But to me, it doesn't change anything. The other time somebody was asking, should I turn anti-clockwise? They say if I change it, it will spoil my lie. They are lying. It's not true. I try the both method. I squeeze it, I roll it, I do anti, I do this anti. Still nothing happen. Your cake will still come out beautiful. That's not true. So feel free and enjoy. My batter is ready. So due to the mixing bowl is small, so I need to remove it to a bigger one to start mixing. Inside your butter and sugar, you need to add in your liquid and dry ingredients. A little of the dry or a little of the liquid, little of this, little of that, you incorporate. After mixing, you add in your milk. I'll be using 2 cups and half. Sprinkle your grated nutmeg. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family just by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Right now our cake is ready. Just mix your butter and you start putting in your pan. I'll be using 4 6 inches pan with 2 8 inches pan and 13 cupcakes. So I'll be using it for this. This is a beautiful batter. So make sure your own is beautiful like mine. After filling in your pans and the cupcake pan, you tap on your table, straight to your oven. Before you start mixing, incorporating dry and wet ingredients, make sure you've set on your oven to start preheating to help you bake easily. After 30 minutes my cakes are ready. I first baked these bigger ones before I do the cupcakes, and everything came out beautiful. I love this. So please make sure you like this video. If you have not liked it, you can see how beautiful our cakes are looking. Isn't it yummy? So make sure to like and feel free to comment, ask your question. I'm always here for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.